Hello everybody, welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this warm, not too sticky, Wednesday, May 31st, 2023. Final day of May, and we're feeling like it's the middle of summer with those temperatures out there. We'll talk about staying hydrated here as we do see some hot temperatures. But taking advantage of the nice weather was Mandy Miller from the Fitchburg Senior Center. Check it out. Today, Mandy Miller was outside working in the garden. This garden is in memory of a longtime volunteer, Paul Baraloa. Mandy planted several varieties of tomatoes. Paul supplied the Fitchburg Senior Center with fresh tomatoes every summer before his unexpected passing in March of 2022. Paul volunteered over 2,000 hours of his time over the years. Paul's family's donated a memorial gift to keep the tomatoes coming back for years to come. And I know this person was very special to Mandy, and helping in planting the flowers meant a lot to her today. So we're glad we got down there to share the story, and you'll be able to see this at the Senior Center when you visit next time. Turning our attention to that hot weather, we're expecting a lot of hot weather the next couple of days. Here's a good reminder of heat awareness, because, yeah, it's here. No matter what the case, drink plenty of fluids, stay inside during the midday heat, and watch for heat cramps, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke. Heat exhaustion can come with feeling faint or dizzy, excessive sweating, cool, pale, clammy skin, nausea or vomiting, rapid or weak pulse, and muscle cramps. Heat stroke can be a throbbing headache, no sweating, a body temp over 103 degrees with red hot dry skin, nausea or vomiting, rapid to strong pulse, and may even lose consciousness. That is a 911 call for sure. No matter what, take your time, get yourself out of the elements, and be safe, as we're going to see some hot temperatures stay around here for a little bit of time. Turning our attention to a program coming to the Fitchburg Senior Center. It's called Wing It. Yes, it's part of the Monarch Butterfly story. Check this out. Author Bev Davis, whose award-winning book, Wing It, A Monarch Love Story, tells the tale of how her grandmother and granddaughter saved hundreds of monarch butterflies in Chicago. And will be featured at the Fitchburg Senior Center on June 29th at 1 p.m. Come on out. She shares her stories, and you can, of course, learn a little bit more about these great butterflies. No registration is required. The splash pad at McKee Farms Park is open just in time for the season. It opened yesterday and now will be open through the end of the summer. Splash pad is open daily 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. over at McKee Farms Park, 2930 Chapel Valley Road. I suggest you go there, especially as it stays hot out. Fitchburg reaffirmed as a silver bike-friendly community. The League of American Bicyclists honored the efforts of Fitchburg to build a better places for people to bike by renewing its Silver Level Bicycle Friendly Community Award for another 4 years. Fitchburg is one of 506 communities across the country in the movement for safer streets, better bicycling for everyone. The award recognizes Fitchburg as it continues its commitment to creating transportation and recreational sources that benefit its residents of all ages and abilities while encouraging healthier and more sustainable transportation choices. Fitchburg earned a Bronze Award in 2012, a Silver in 2015, and in 2019. And finally, the Boys and Girls Club has their Get Groovy With Us event happening tomorrow night. We encourage local businesses, families, and individuals to stop by the Allied Family Center, says the Boys and Girls Club of Dane County, on June 1st from 4 to 6 p.m. to learn about the largest fundraiser of the year, Move and Groove for Boys and Girls Club. We'll be giving tours of the Allied Family Center, playing yard games, tie-dye with the Boys and Girls Club shirts, and enjoying summer weather. A few lucky people even have a chance to pie Michael Johnson in the face. You don't want to miss that event. Event activities will include the following: $15 donation for the tie-dye a t-shirt, a $20 for a shirt, and a shirt for a club member. You can sign up for Move and Groove Boys and Girls Club on July 15th to tour the Allied Family Center Club. Spin to win a chance to a chance to pie Michael Johnson in the face. The Move and Groove team socialize and enjoy summer weather, enjoy food and drinks, and a lot more. It's going to be a lot of fun, so check it out tomorrow, June 1st, from 4 to 6 p.m. at the Boys and Girls Club. And have a great day, everyone.